How to log in to Vestjysk Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser on your device and just search for vestjyskbank.dk and choose this link that is on top. Okay, now let's wait for some time. Now, once you are here on the official website of the bank, you can see that this is in a different language. That is because Vestjysk Bank is a Dutch banking system. Now, just scroll down and tap on this Britain flag in order to translate this page to English. Now, once this page has been translated to English, just tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now, just select the option of Private Net Bank. Okay, now select this option of English in order to translate this page to English. Now select the option of Login with MitID. Okay, now let's wait for some time. This may take a while. Now just enter your user ID and then tap on continue. Now in case if you have forgotten your user ID, you can select this option of forgot your user ID. Okay, let me select this option. Now over here you can see that if you have forgotten your user ID, you can see it by scanning your passport in the MitID app. Now if you tap on other options, you can also contact the bank and ask them on how to recover your password and then log in into your account. So this was it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.